This is my effects and impacts page. Um, First topic is explain a benefit and or harmful effect of the innovation. The most noticeable benefits are ease of access and financial benefits. New entertainment platforms have also had a large effect on the way we enjoy technology, and they have been both beneficial to the user and the seller. So the user can access this without needing to be within close proximity to the seller, and for the seller, services can be administered with the use of the internet as their business platform. There are a few negative impacts. One of the biggest ones I noticed was the addictions by the users. People are starting to get sucked into these platforms so much that it gives them a capability to push away from society. Explain the impact and that the innovation has had on society, economy, and/or culture. Um, the example I used in this was YouTube. Um, YouTube is mostly used as a source of entertainment, but it can also be used as a way to broaden knowledge and become educated. Society can learn to collaborate online with this and choose to enjoy the popularity of information and entertainment over the quality. And I have a little graph down here, and this just shows the amount of YouTube videos published monthly from 2006 to 2013. And as you can see, there is a very, very, very large increase. Indicate one field other than computer science which this innovation has impacted or has the potential to impact. Describe the impact. So this has had the biggest impact on the entertainment industry. The entertainment industry has benefited in the same way as big business. People are constantly seeking new channels of entertainment online, and it has allowed the industry to grow immensely. I'll go to the next section. Technical aspects. So describe how a user interacts with the innovation. The user interaction involves consumption. Consumption involves viewing the entertainment on a platform such as YouTube or downloading the application of choice onto a device from the App Store, Google Play. And after this, the user can now upvote, downvote, write a review about their thoughts on the platform. These are the main way they interact with the innovation. And describe in detail how the innovation's technology incorporates at least one of the big ideas of abstraction, algorithms, programming, and or the internet to accomplish its purpose. So the innovation thrives on algorithms, I believe. And an example I used in here was Netflix. Netflix has developed algorithms so the user can spend more time using the application rather than exploring it. And the way they do this is they collect user data based on past behavior, and it predicts future interest of the user. So this is one of the ways they can enhance the overall experience on the platform. And to the right here, I have a few images that I found online. Now on to the relationship to data. Describe how the innovation consumes data as input, produces data as output, and or transforms data. So the innovation consumes data as input mainly by receiving data from the system. Most of the input comes from humans who run the system and add information, or the platform itself, which collects and stores data to be processed. Um, the data is mainly output, um, either onto the screen or whatever type of um, technology that the user is using to view the information. describe at least one data storage concern, data privacy concern, or data security concern related to the innovation. I thought data privacy was a big one relating to this topic. So many of these platforms are, you have to pay for them online, enter in passwords, and a lot of people have very little knowledge about, how secure their network is or how much access that the people who run these platforms actually have to the information, your personal information that is being stored in these networks and databases. So many of these companies now have access to credit card numbers and passwords, and if people aren't changing passwords frequently, and they're putting their credit card number into unsecure websites, they're at risk for fraud, and their information can be accessed by anyone who intrudes upon it. And the last section is the reference section. These are just some of the websites I got my information from. I'll go into this one right here. So this is the website I used to find out my information about the algorithm that Netflix uses to enhance their user performance. It was very in detail about how they explain the algorithm, and it was very interesting, actually.